Hi, today we're going to be unboxing the Witch's Moon box for October 2018. Just to let you know, it comes in a blank box for discretion, I guess. Really tightly in there, so it's always kind of a hassle to get it out. This box is really pretty. It's got little symbols all over it. Pretty big and sturdy. Ooh, pretty. So every month it has a different either oracle or tarot card and wrapped in twine around the insert. I keep these. So my fortune is a blessing for healing of injury or illness. So that's pretty cool. And their insert is several pages long usually. And then a blank parchment for you to write on however you want. I haven't opened this box. You're seeing it as I'm seeing it, so it's pretty cool. One of the things I love is the smell coming from it is always great. For the entire time I've been getting this box, so basically I believe I got my first one in April. It's been having these art pages, different ones every month, sometimes two. This month it looks like two. A spell to honor the ancestors, and one's about magic wands. So cool, pretty. There had been a series that they had been doing that showed like Ostara or Midsummer or Llamas, and I collected almost all of them. I'm gonna have to find out how to purchase the rest. I love the tissue paper. Little bubbles I saved for my toddler, who is thankfully asleep. I like that they don't have styrofoam things, but it is kind of a lot to dig through here. One of my favorite things about this box is that everything's coordinated and with a unified theme, and I really, really like that. So it always has salts, bath salts. Smells good. That's their logo, and then this is the symbol of the month. So let's see what kind of bath salts that is. It is the Alchemical Goddess Sacred Salt, and it has base metal. Oh, it's about alchemy, turning base metals into pure gold. It's for relaxing in the bath. It's got lavender, marjoram, chrysanthemum. Cool. I love to bathe those. They're really nice. We just have little herbs and stuff in here. Yerba Santa. I got this in my last box too with a different company, which I'll probably do a review of them pretty soon here. They always have a little oil. Oh no, I ruined the bag. I saved these, so I really don't. I'm kind of bummed about that. Oh well. You can see it's pretty sturdy on there. Who's gonna win, me or the tape? Victory. Queen of Wands. So it's a little oil. It's hard to see, but there's usually interesting things floating in there. It's a good smell. I have to have my stage assistant hand me that thing that I dropped. Very nice. I also keep these bags, little silk, actually satin bags, when they put things in them. It's always like a little surprise. Oh, ooh, items. Lots of items. Okay, it's a candle with a rune or a symbol of some sort, and wrapped in twine with a Palo Santo. I love the smell of Palo Santo. And then I'm gonna have to look up what this is. Looks pretty interesting. My only thing is I really love their packaging, but I can't always read it, so I'm going to have to look up what that says. Keep this over here with the twine. Usually these are candles wrapped in tissue paper. And again, I hate to damage the tissue paper, but let's see what we got here. As above, so below. A little parchment around the candle. It smells good. Incense, like always. I love it. Collect it. Got wrapped in twine, good amount. Another bag. This one's red, last one was brown. Ooh, pretty. It's a crystal point. I'm gonna open this bag carefully because I'm not trying to break it. Cool. Really cool. I love it. Good size. And then, if I'm not mistaken, I believe this is the big item of the month. Ooh, I'm excited. So it's got this little suede on it. Oh. It's a magic wand. So I feel very, very Hermione Granger right now. I would say Wingardium Leviosa, but I don't know what YouTube's copyrights are. So pretty cool. I don't have one of these. Really neat. I like it. So let's just go through the contents really quick to make sure that I covered everything. So a handcrafted magic wand. They're all different, so that's pretty cool. This one is mine. It has a sewn sheath for storage. There's the artwork pertaining to magic wands. There's a Samhain spell collection. Oh, all the items in the brown drawstring bag are used for the honoring the ancestors spell. So this is a Samhain candle, and I was right the first time. It's a rune, Othilla, Palo Santo, double happiness honoring tea, mum flower or chrysanthemum, and artwork. Here's the artwork that goes with the kit in the brown bag. As above, so below candle with, apparently there's a little spell written on this. Queen of Wands oil, the alchemical goddess sacred salt, the enlightenment crystal. Ooh, it's an amethyst point. I like amethyst. It's one of my favorite. Spirit guide incense. Your Yerba Santa. The personalized oracle, and of course parchment paper. So that's everything for this box. It's an interesting theme. I I never know exactly what I'm going to do with every item in the box. I know that I like them. I definitely keep almost every single thing in this box, whereas some other boxes I will find other homes for certain items. I've been getting this box for many months now, and I am going to say it's one of my very, very favorites, but any search on YouTube or online is going to show you that it's a lot of people's favorite. It's very nice. It is on the pricey side. This box is, oh, my dog is growling, and it's because he's trying to distract my husband, so when I tell you it's over $50, he won't pay attention. So it is pricey. That's something to consider, but as you can see, you get a lot of stuff, a lot of items. It's a very nice theme. It's all cohesive, very nice touches. I've never had a problem with their customer service either. I had one time where an item was missing from the box, and I emailed them, and they were very prompt in sending me the missing item and also a small gift, which was very nice. Love their customer service. Love everything about this company in general, the Witch's Moon. And I will continue with this box for as long as I am able. I will be showing you next month, and I will see you then.